Hi guys. Now, I don't know about you, but I am very excited about an upcoming Disney Pixar film called Turning Red. This looks like an amazing film. Like I say, at the time of recording, it's yet to come out, but it's about a girl called Mei Lee who, when she gets excited, turns into a giant and very cute red panda. And it looks amazing, so we're going to draw it. Well, we're going to try. We're going to start with, you guessed it, there's some shapes involved. So the first one is a sort of ovally shape. We're going to go slightly shallower on the bottom, slightly coming up towards the middle a little bit more there. So it's not complete over, it's a bit more like a stone. And then an ear is going to come off there and around there. Again, take your time to get these ears right, and they are quite important to the character of the personality of the character, I should say. So they're basic triangles within those as well, and then it's all about sort of getting those facial features not spot on, but just placed in kind of the right way, giving it a bit more character. So I'm just going to flesh out these edges and make them look a bit more furry. Again, you can take more time on this than I am. And then I'm going to work out roughly where things are going to go in proportion to the facial features. So I think I'm going to draw a big old sausage there. It's going to be the mouth. Then the kind of muzzle comes in here. And that's about right, I think. And then an eye over this side, and an eye over this side. I mean, looking a little piggy. So we can move away from that one. It's not supposed to be a piggy. And then lightly sort of draw these things in. They're looking a bit wolfy actually as well, but I'm hoping we can pull it back to be a red panda. More specifically Mei Lee, when she's very excited. So these bits are going to come up to around here. These are the white patches on her face. So around something like that. And then we'll just try and draw the fur as it comes out like that. I should really draw a line and then move along it like that. There we go. I'm trying to take shortcuts, which you should not be doing. So it's going to come down and have a little hand like that somewhere along there. I don't think we're going to do too much detail in here, but just to rough out where the things are going to be. That's roughly where we would have everything. I'm going to take one of my larger pens and just start inking this. Again, you work on your pencil stage until you are happy with it, because that's where the magic really happens, and that is what's going to make or break your drawing. It's the complete structure of the drawing. Once you're at the inking stage, you really are kind of done with the aspects of the drawing. You can change some things in between there. If you don't like certain lines, you can follow different ones, but the pencil stage is where you're really going to be finding which shapes you want to use and where they're going to go. And then your inking stage is just kind of should be quite a relaxing process, really, to just following these sort of lines like that. As you get more confident, it comes much more easily. But work at it and you'll get better. Or maybe you're there already. Maybe you're very confident with a pen and a pencil. And that's a nice place to be. Okay. I find that you can sometimes you can get rid of certain things you didn't like about your initial picture with at the inking stage, but if it's fundamentally not looking right, then it's not going to be saved at any point. So it's worth trying your best in getting it right at the pencil stage. I'm going to put the teeth and other details in a slightly smaller pen, just so I've got a bit more control and can do a thinner line if needs be. coming together, isn't it? Let's see if we can give it a bit of colour and see what happens next. Yeah, that's not bad, is it? That's a rough likeness, considering the slightly dodgy colouring that I put on there. But this is about the basics. You can refine it and do a much better job than I've done here on this one. But yeah, give it a go and let me know how it goes for you. And yeah, enjoy the film if you haven't seen it already. I reckon it's going to be a cracker. And I'll see you next time. Please do subscribe. Should be a big pink button up there. I'll see you next time on CaptainFishbeard.com.